Hello everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this session, we'll see the introduction to valid palindrome in Python. We'll understand what is palindrome in Python. Any string which always remains constant when reversed is known as palindrome. For example, when you enter a string wow, when you read or write it from reverse, it is same as a original string. Hence it is palindrome. We'll write one more example we'll enter one more string that is hello. When you read or write it from reverse, it is different from an original string. Hence it is not a palindrome. Before writing program to valid palindrome, we'll understand the string slicing for valid palindrome in Python. Then, what is string slicing in Python? It is nothing but to return a portion of string by specifying the start index and the end index, separated by a colon. For example, let's consider here S is some string. The syntax is Si:'j. Here I is first index and j is the second index. And S is a string. We'll understand the logic of string slicing for valid palindrome in Python. First we'll write string is equal to go get my guru, and we'll write a is equal to string 0:1, which is the syntax for string slicing. Here 0 is the first index and 1 is the second index. When you print this A, you will get only the letter G. It is because of in 0th index, the letter is G. Slicing string by giving only first index. B is equal to string 1:. Then print this B. Here getting output O get my guru by leaving 0th index. Then string slicing by giving only second index, that is C is equal to string 4. Then print here getting output only GOGE. It means it is printing the letters from 0th index to 3rd index. Then slicing string by giving negative value to the second index. D is equal to string :-3. D is equal to string :-3. Then print this D. Getting output go get my G by leaving last 3 letters. And we'll write program to check given string is valid palindrome or not in Python. First we'll write user input is equal to input, enter a string. Then we'll write if condition, that is if user input is equal to user input with string slicing operation : and -1. In string slicing, we have 3 positions. First is for starting of the string and second is for end of the string and third is for step value of string. Here step value of string is -1, which reverses the string. If this condition satisfies, then print the entered string palindrome, else print the entered string is not palindrome. Here user will enter the string and if condition checks whether the string is reversed or not by using slice operation. If string is reversed, it will print entered string is palindrome. If it is not a palindrome, then it will print the entered string is not a palindrome. Let's run this code and we'll enter the string, that is wow. The output is the entered string is palindrome. That means when you read or write this wow string from the reverse, it is same as original string. So it is printing the entered string is palindrome. And we'll check for the one more string by entering hello. The entered string is not a palindrome. If you read or write this hello string, we will get something different. It is not same as the original string. So we are getting the output is the entered string is not a palindrome. Next we'll write program to check given string is valid palindrome or not by using object-oriented concept in Python. First we'll create class, call it as palindrome, and we'll define method check palindrome with self parameter. Then we'll write logic for user input. User input is equal to input, enter a string, then we'll write if condition. If user input is equal to user input with slice operation colon and -1. Then print the entered string palindrome, else print the entered string is not palindrome. Then in main function, we'll create an object for this palindrome class, that is palindrome is equal to palindrome. Then we'll call the check palindrome method by using object, that is palindrome dot check palindrome. Then we'll call the main function by if condition. We'll run this code and we'll enter the string medium. The entered string is valid palindrome.